Alright, hey guys, I'm going to do a video. I'm going to try to do the voiceover this way to try to get it out to you. But so I've gotten questions about how to incorporate beads into smocking. And if you want to know what types of beads I like to use, I will link that video down below. But this is just how to attach it. So in any situation that's able to, I like to do my smocking first. Like I'll do the first row of smocking. That way my pleats are held together already and I don't have to worry about the bead dropping into a pleat, into a valley. Like I don't have to worry about that. Then once I have that first row of smocking done, then I will come back and just put a bead onto that needle. I like to use, I know it's not conventional, but I like to use like sharps or millimeter needles, millimeter needles to do smocking. That's just my preference. And these are delicacy beads. Like I said, I have a video that goes over types of beads that I like to use, but all of the types of beads that I list in that video, and I will have them listed below, they do fit through a regular needle. I don't have to bust out a bead needle for any of that. So I will just come back, once I've done my first row of smocking, I will come back and then put my bead on wherever I want it, wherever I want those beads. And that just helps the bead not fall into the valley. That's already been smocked. It's a lot easier. Now, of course, in some cases, like if you want to do the bottom row of smocking, to have those have beads, you're not going to be able to smock it first and then put a bead on. I guess you could smock it and then come back with like a very fine, hand thread so it doesn't show that much, but in that instance, what I do is I just smock, or I bead as I smock, and if it falls into a valley, I pick it up and I just kind of work with it. That's my preference on the matter. So those are my 2 cents on how to put beads on your smocking. I hope it was helpful. If y'all have any questions, please leave them down below and I will do my best to answer them. And as always, we appreciate y'all for watching and we hope to catch y'all next time. Mwah!